wonderful day. We thank you for the gift of life and for all the blessing. Help us to learn new things today. Help us to be obedient to our teachers, parents, and to be kind to our classmates. Help us to be honest and diligent in our studies. Let peace and unity prevail in our home, school, community, and country. Keep us always safe and always grant us the courage to follow your way. Jai Hind.